making way too much noise this late at night in my house. I got kids sleeping. Oh, I got it on record. Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to Wally's Welding Web. I'm the Weld Professor, and if you didn't know, now you know. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that way when I drop a video or whatever, you're notified. But I'm on here to give my homegirl Shoko a shout out. Because you know what? She's got some of the dopest gear. And I've been actually rocking her hats for years now, man. And she's actually now just come out with her new corduroy hat, man. And it actually stretches a little bit. You know, it's got a little bit of play to it. And I really like it. The one I'm wearing too, it stretches too. It's got a little bit of give to it. And so we come up with the name for this hat, you know. It's Socomfort because it's so comfortable. And I've been using these hats, lately just to try to test them out and see if they're worth a damn. And I'll tell you what, I really like the corduroy one, and I really like the, I think this one's duck canvas. And I really like the little bit of stretch to it. You know, a lot of hats, you know, they're real fixed and they don't have any kind of play in it. You can't get like another hat under it in case it's wintertime. So these hats are actually some of the best hats I've been able to wear lately. And I just wanted to get on here and give my honest opinion and review that I like it. And especially this one with the corduroy, man. So now I need a corduroy shirt and some corduroy pants, Dawn, to match my corduroy hat. If you don't know about Southern Colorado Hats, she's based out of Colorado and she makes all kinds of gear. You know, she makes backpacks for us, she makes, chalk bags for us, and she makes hood bags for us, she makes these hats for us, she makes the jackets for us, and just so much things that she's got going on. So check her out and give her a subscribe or give her a follow, and definitely show the love and let her know where you've seen it. Wally's Welding World, the Weld Professor. That's all I got to say today. I love you guys. Have a good one. I'm out. Peace. Cameron, hurry up.